choice today with the 2020 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.